Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to little brother's nursery tour. I'm so excited to finally show you guys the finished nursery. It's as finished as it's going to be until after he is born. And I say that because there is still a big corner over here that looks a little weird, not part of your typical nursery. I will explain a little bit more as we go on with the video, but this is basically where our rocker is going to go. And that rocker is in our bedroom right now. So we'll get to that in a minute, but we're gonna focus on the part that actually is put together, and I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so just a quick overview of the room really quick. So right behind me is the door, just the door that you get into the bedroom with. And then immediately off to the left over here is the dresser. So this dresser has all of his clothes, all of his diapers, all of his swaddles. I'm gonna try to make this video not so wobbly if possible. And we got some hats and shoes up there. Over here on this wall is the crib, obviously. That door right there is the closet door. We'll go in there in a minute. Over here is his bookshelf and toy shelf. And then going over here is a big window. This, like I said, is where the rocker will go eventually. The bassinet is going to be moved into our bedroom. I'm keeping it here for now just because that base is so big. The bassinet is huge. I do not recommend the Halo bassinet for several reasons, but well, that's a story for another video. It's gonna stay in here until we get home from the hospital with baby, and then I'll have my husband bring it into our bedroom. I just don't want it in my bedroom right now. The swing will go out into our loft, probably closer to delivery date. Today I'm only 31 weeks the day I'm filming this, so we do have a 2-year-old toddler who likes to run around, and I'm afraid he's gonna mess it up if we put it out there right now. So that's why it's right there. The car seat, of course, will go in the car on our way to the hospital. This is our lovevery playmat. I actually just put it together. I love it so much. We previously had the skip hop one for my first, and it was good, but I think this one is much better. It was super easy to put together. I wanted it ready for when we get home from the hospital. That way we can start tummy time essentially right away. So that will get moved closer to like the middle of the room. I just needed space to walk around. And then that door is the bathroom door. So we do have a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects this bedroom with my toddler's bedroom, and there's where we started. So we're basically gonna ignore this entire corner of the bedroom for now. It's a little bit of a hot mess. Part of me is like, oh my God, I just wanna put the rocker in here right now and get it over with, but it's in our bedroom, and I think that's the perfect spot for it. When I had my first, one thing that I desperately wished I had was a rocker in our bedroom because baby sleeps in your bedroom for a little while. So it's there. We're going to see how it works, but you can see where I taped off where the rocker is going to go. And then of course, all of this is going to be moved out and it'll look nice and clean. And the blinds will be closed. Those are blackout curtains. We got them at Costco. I will link as much as I can down below for you guys. So we're going to start out with this wall right here. So this is the dresser. It's from IKEA. If you follow me over on Instagram, it was a big ordeal with the dresser, but we finally got it. I did replace the top 4 knobs with little Mickey Mouse knobs. So as you can tell, the theme of our nursery is black and white Mickey Mouse, and then we have pops of navy here and there. So I got those on Etsy. I will link them for you below. And then over here we have a lamp, our Hatch Baby sound machine. We have the same exact one for our first, and we absolutely love it. This little basket right here has all of our diaper changing essentials. This is just an anchor. The furniture still needs to be anchored to the wall. That is my husband's job. We'll see how long it takes to happen. A wipe holder right here. We love these OXO wipe holders. They're really nice because they have this like weighted part right here that you put on top of the wipes. So that way when you open this up, this is still sealed, by the way, keeping it sealed until we need it so they don't dry out, but it allows you to just pull out one wipe at a time instead of like a handful of wipes. So we actually have one of these in my older son's room too. So then our lotions, hand sanitizer, all of that. This changing table right here is by Skip Hop. I love these, they're like plasticky. We have one for our first, it's still in his room, by Bumbo. I liked that one, but I think I like this one a little bit better simply because it comes with this little, what are these called? Mobiles? And I think, you know, having that just, it's one of the things, again, I wish I had with my first. There's a lot of stuff I did as far as nursery planning and stuff like that with this baby that were like nice to haves that I wish I kind of had with my first. So a mobile above the changing station was one of those. Up here we have all of his shoes and all of his hats. A lot of these are hand-me-downs from my first. Two boys makes it real easy when it comes to clothes and stuff like that. But he did get a brand new hat from George Hats that says Little Bro. And then my toddler has one that says Big Bro. But we have some shoes over here, some stuffed animals. Over here in this corner we have the diaper pail and the laundry basket. And then let's go through the drawers really quickly. So one drawer is dedicated to diapers. This drawer is dedicated to backup changing products. It's set up very similarly to my older's nursery. So if you haven't seen that tour, I will link it down below for you guys. I did a tour on his nursery too, but this is like these little butt spatulas, butt paste. Tubby Todd is a lifesaver, all over ointment, backup baby wipes over there. And then this drawer we have burp cloths, lots of burp cloths. We have a whole bunch of these in our bedroom too. I do plan on doing a video all about what we did to our master bedroom to prepare for baby. So like the little nursing station that I prepared in there. So stay tuned for that. But this is a bunch of burp cloths. And then in here we have socks, more socks, hats, pacifier supplies here, and then first drawer over here. So every drawer has both newborn sized clothes and 0 to 3 month sized clothes. Same setup I did with my older son, and it works for me. So I'm going to keep doing it with this baby. So this drawer is all like bodysuit onesies. In the middle we have just plain white ones. And then I have a row for short sleeve, long sleeve. Same thing over here, short sleeve, long sleeve. And then this drawer is the same concept, but with sleepers instead. So we have newborn and 0 to 3 months. This looks like there's a lot missing, and it's because I have some in the hospital bag, some in our bedroom, just kind of getting prepared with little stations all over the place. So that's that. This drawer has pants. So newborn, 0 to 3 months. And then I have this little container right here that's filled with all of our Christmas stuff. So he is going to be a Christmas baby. He's due December 14th. December 19th. I don't know why I keep saying like December 14th, December 13th. Maybe I'm like wishfully thinking he comes a little bit early, but no, December 19th is his due date. So I pulled all the Christmas stuff and I put it aside. That way it's like, you know, easily accessible for that. And then over here is all of our swaddles. So we have swaddle blankets over here, and then those are the more like structured swaddles, and then extra crib sheets are back there. Whew, I am out of breath, you guys. Okay, moving on to this wall. So this crib was my older son's crib. We actually got my older son a new crib. And by new, I mean new to us. We actually got it off of Facebook Marketplace. But the one we got him converts into a toddler bed. This one doesn't. So we pulled this one in here. Plus it matched the whole, you know, color scheme. So the bedding is absolutely adorable. My sister actually got this for us as like a baby shower gift, even though we didn't have a baby shower for this baby. But it's from Pottery Barn. And it's their black and white Mickey theme. So there's like a little lovey. The crib sheet, the fitted crib sheet, and then there's the quilt right there. So cute. I washed everything and put it all together. I'm just so excited. And then these pictures up here are from Etsy. They're black and white Mickey prints. And then the frames I got from IKEA. I painted them navy though, so they would match the nursery. So this is one of my favorite walls. Is it weird to have a favorite wall? I just think everything looks so cohesive and just so cute over here. So We'll get to the closet here in a minute. Over here is a toy shelf that I got from Amazon. This is the perfect toy shelf for us. This room doesn't really have a whole lot of space as far as wall space goes. You probably noticed, but there's something on every single wall. So this wall has the closet door, this wall has the window, this wall has the bathroom door, and this wall has the just regular door. So there wasn't a whole lot of wall space. And of course, when this door opens, it opens this way, which takes up pretty much that whole wall. So the two biggest walls we had, I had to put the crib on one wall, the dresser on the other wall. And so really the only two walls I had left were this little 4 or 5 foot wall here, and then this little 4 or 5 foot wall here. So I like the idea of having the rocker in this corner. It's okay if the rocker kind of sort of blocks the window. Baby will never be in the rocker by himself, so I don't worry about, you know, it being too close to the window. And then for the most part, the window will be totally open once that bassinet is pulled out here. So this then was the only wall left for things like a bookcase. So this is kind of a good all-in-one. I can put books all across the top. I can put books all down here. There's a little hidden space right here. There's nothing in there right now, but that'll be perfect for things that just, you know, don't look as good or as cohesive with the room. And then these little toy bins are perfect. We have a shelf just like this with just those bins, not the bookcasing part, in my older son's room. And it's perfect for toys because he can see them all. You can pull the bins out, so we can pull them into the loft for playing and then put them back. It's just perfect. So I thought this was the best like combo bookshelf. I will link it down below for you guys. It was a little bit pricey, but I think it was totally worth it. So we pulled in some books from brother's room, but of course he'll probably eventually grow his own book collection. So a lot of these, actually all of these, are like hand-me-down toys from my older son, but you know, he'll get his own toys eventually. This is all teether toys. I sanitized them all and washed them and then put them in a little Ziploc bag, so they're ready to go for when he is, you know, at that stage of life. But that's pretty much it as far as the nursery setup goes. This is a pretty big room. It's just set up so awkward. So when you look at it from here, here's the overview of what it looks like. I think I did a pretty good job. We installed the ceiling fan also. I did a pretty good job working with this space that I had, I have to say. I can't imagine putting an older kid in this room. There really isn't a whole lot of wall space for things like a full-size bed. I mean, I guess you'd have to put the full-size bed on this wall. And then, you know, nightstand on either side, and then I don't know, you wouldn't be able to have a dresser there with a bed that, you know, jets out here. So I guess the dresser would have to go on this wall. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we get to that stage if we're still in this house. But so yeah, so that's that. I thought about getting a rug, like a Mickey Mouse rug for the floor, but I think with the lovevery play mat here in the middle, I think that's fine. I don't think we need a rug right now. So so yeah. Oh, and then I also have the camera all set up too. Forgot to show you guys that. So same monitor that we have for my older son, we just have an extra camera. I already have it angled perfectly for the crib. So here's the closet. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's an organized mess. So these are all tubs that I packed away as my older son got too big for his clothes. So we have all of these clothes ready to go. We had a tub for newborn and 0 to 3 months, which is what's in the dresser now. A tub for 3 to 6 months. And then there's 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 18. This is just various stuff over here. We have our rock and play, an extra mattress for the Halo, some toys for when he gets a little bit older. Over here we have more like baby gadgets and gizmos that I'll probably end up pulling downstairs in our like living room, or maybe in our loft. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all the gizmos and gadgets. The only thing I know for sure is the swing is going in our loft. We spent a lot of time in our loft with our older son. It's like our play area, so We'll figure it out. But we have the walker right there, the Jolly Jumper right here. I have a couple of things hanging up for him. He is going to be born in December, so I don't know if we'll ever get use out of, you know, these little summer outfits that were purchased for my older son. But we have like a little warm suit here, some sweaters and stuff like that, extra diapers up here, old shoes from my older son. It's just so nice when he grows out of everything. I just bring it into this room and get it ready for a little brother. These are other play mats. So that's the Fisher-Price Kick and Play. That's our skip hop mat that I was telling you about. We got our Bumbo over there in the corner, and then baby carriers and stuff like that up here, diaper bags. So, and then down here we have the bathtub, and then that's the rumble seat for our stroller that we need to attach when we get home from the hospital. And then this is the bassinet that comes with the Baby Vista. So yeah, that is pretty much the nursery, you guys. I love it. I love this space. I love just being in here. It smells like everything smells new and fresh and clean in here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to bring baby home and just get life started as a family of 4. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If I forget to link anything down below and you want the link, let me know and I can make it for you. But pretty much everything you see here can be bought at Bye Bye Baby, Target, unless it's IKEA. So like that you can't get. I mean, you can get it at IKEA, or Amazon. So yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.